In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to do the invisible color change for perfect stripes. So in the first method, you'll be able to see the joints over here. And in the second method, you'll be able to see the joints over here. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Welcome back to the Purple Tulip Workshop, where you learn your stitches and stitch to create with love. I'm your host Shipra, and I'll be taking you through a series of videos on different types of stitches and projects. So if you're excited and ready to learn, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you never miss when I post a new video. So in the first method, you can see how the stripes are in a continuous round, and this is where the joint is. This is where the invisible color change has happened. So I'm going to show you how to start with this. So in our last stitch where we're supposed to be joining the new color, I'm going to insert my hook. I'm going to bring my yarn through, and now I'm going to be joining my new color like this. And I'll just tighten up the loop like this. And now I'm going to be doing a slip stitch into the next stitch. So the next stitch over here, I'm going to be doing a slip stitch into this loop like this. And then I'm going to tighten up the slip stitch. And we're going to do chain 1. And now I'm going to be doing a single crochet all the way through till the end of the round. Now in the last stitch, we're going to be changing the color. So I'm going to bring back my gray shade. And I'm going to join that into the last stitch. And we're going to be doing a slip stitch into this first chain that we made originally in that round. So I'm going to insert my hook, bring my loop through, and I'm going to do this slip stitch and tighten up this loop. And we're going to do a chain 1 and then single crochet all the way through on the round. So we're going to continue on with this sequence of changing the color in the last stitch, tightening up the loops, doing the slip stitch into the first chain, and then doing a chain 1, and then the single crochet all the way through on the round. So keep on repeating this sequence until the number of stripes are required for your project. Once the stripes are done, you can then join the round in the normal sequence of doing the single crochet as you would do in the round. In method 2, you can also see that the stripes are in continuous round, and now I'm going to show you how to do this version. So I'm going to pull onto my loop, and then in the next stitch I'm going to insert the hook from behind and then put the loop through and pull it through that stitch. So this is known as the invisible slip stitch, and now I'm going to join my new color like this, and I'm going to pull on the gray yarn to tighten up that slip stitch. Turn our work, and then I'm going to be doing a single crochet on the same stitch where we've done the invisible slip stitch. So I'm going to be doing a single crochet here into this stitch itself like this. And now I'm going to do single crochet all the way through on the round till the end. Now we're going to repeat that same sequence. I'm going to pull onto my loop and into that first V, that first single crochet V, I'm going to be inserting my hook like this. It's going to be a little bit tight, but you have to insert the hook into that first V like this. And I'll put my loop onto my hook and pull it through to make the invisible slip stitch and pull onto this yarn. I'll change my color here now, and I'll tighten up the original slip stitch. And I'll turn my work, and then I'm going to continue doing the single crochet into that same stitch, first stitch, and then single crochet all the way through on the round. Keep repeating this sequence till the number of stripes required for your project. You'll be able to achieve jogless stripes in the continuous round with this. Once the stripes are done, just join the round as you normally would for a single crochet. So if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel from the link below and click onto the bell icon for the latest updates. Take care for now and stay safe. Bye bye.